Hello everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. You're looking at some items that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. So I'm here to share with you some of the goodies that I bought for home decor from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to change a couple of them up just a little bit. And also I wanted to share with you some products that I purchased from Kirkland's. And then something that is so cute that I bought from Bath & Body Works that I think P, hi P if you're watching, is going to appreciate. Okay, so Hobby Lobby has a big sale going on. And I went and picked up a bunch of home decor items and had them, well, I didn't go there. I ordered them online. And so many things that I purchased were 70% off. I think the majority of the items that I purchased were $5 and under, or $3 and under. So that is really great. Now we know fall's right around the corner. And if you've been with me for a while as a subscriber, you know fall is my favorite season. And it has been since I was a little girl living at Fort Leonard Wood here in Missouri. I'm not living there now, but I am living in Missouri. When I was 5 years old, I fell in love with fall, and it's been my favorite since. So I love to decorate for it, and we have moved so many times across the country since 2004, 2005. And so now that we've purchased this home and settled down, we've been here almost 3 years. We've remodeled the home inside and out. Still have things we need to do, but I am slowly getting home decor pieces, and I love DIYs. So I love to watch videos where people get trash to treasure, or they go to Dollar Tree and they recreate items they found at Hobby Lobby and Kirkland's and things like that at, just for such a low price compared to what they would pay for that same item at those stores. They can make it for themselves. So that's what I'm wanting to do. Now, when, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Kirkland's, and the Home Goods and the different stores have great sales, then of course I'll get those items. But I want to share with you what I got and a couple of ideas that I have for changing them up a little bit. So I mentioned in a previous video that I was going to be doing some DIYs and asked for your opinion on that. And the majority, I would say 99% of you said yes. Please share your hauls, and then so we can see what you bought and then how you alter it afterward. So I picked up these cute little like shaker-like houses. Aren't they cute? And the little batteries and the the little bulb came in with them already. So I got 2 of them, I think, for under $3, because I'm pretty sure everything I bought was under $5 and some were under $3. So I purchased a couple of these pumpkins, gingham pumpkins. They're really, really cute. They came did they come 2 together? Or maybe I just ordered 2. And what I plan on doing, I like, the front side really cute, but of course you can add some twine or something on the top. And then I'm going to paint the back sides with some chalk paint. I'm thinking of doing a dark navy blue on one and maybe a soft pool blue on the other. So those are really cute, and then I can just switch them around when I want to. Same thing with this. This is real cute. It says blessed, and can do the same thing on the back. And then I bought a couple little cake stands. This one is like metal and made to look distressed. They had it in several colors, and I got this one thinking it'll be fine for fall, but I will probably end up painting it with some chalk paint later on. And then I got this little cake stand. It's so cute, but these are perfect for setting little things on top. I have really cute little porcelain birds, and I set things like that on there. Plus, when you are, which you guys probably already know this, when you're decorating, say like a mantle, you want different, and you want to use candles or different items to set on them, you want different heights. So when I can get those for under $3, I pick those up. And again, you can buy things similar looking at Dollar Tree. Also at Hobby Lobby, I've just picked up a few of these cups. So very blessed. I love fall most of all, and I think these are normally almost $13. They're 16-ounce mugs. I love them. They're just so beautiful, and I got them, I think, for $5 on sale, which is really good, and they're dishwasher safe, and I got this one last year. So I'm on the hunt for a navy one or a green one, and that is my idea. I have a coffee station, and those will go on there. And speaking of a coffee station, I got this baby from Kirkland's for my K-Cups. Isn't it cute? And Kirkland's also, and I wonder if I'm zoomed in. Yes, I am. There we go. Kirkland's had a really big sale. And so on my Instagram, I shared this big, kind of almost like a window pane arch. Now there's no glass in it, but it's distressed. It's made to look distressed. You know, it's not old, but the metal parts on it, they rusted it up, and it's so beautiful. And it's farmhouse style, and that's going to go above our console in the living room. Oops. So I can share that once that's up. My husband won't be home for a few weeks yet. He's working weekends, so he's not been here for almost a month. So I got that for my K-Cups, and that'll go in the coffee station. And then I picked this up at Kirkland's for just a couple of bucks because they are getting new fall items in. So they are clearancing their spring and summer items. So I got this because it's super cute. It's so pretty. It'll be great for next year. But I also got it because I can recreate this. I can buy a mason jar at Dollar Tree for $1. I can even get them at, Walmart pretty cheap as well. And then use some Dollar Tree flowers and set them in there, and then do some paint of whatever color I want and recreate this with fall colors. So that's my idea with that. And then I was given a $10, not a gift certificate, but they put $10 on my rewards card at Kirkland. And I don't know if you guys know that, but if you sign up to receive emails, whether you do it in the store or online, you don't get inundated with a bunch of emails, but they do let you know when they have a sale. And then if you purchase different things or a certain amount of items, they will just give you, money on your card. So when you go into the store, it shows up. You just tell them your email. They punch it in. They say you got $10, So I got this. This was $15, and I paid under $5 for it. And then, of course, they added about 50 cents for tax. But isn't it beautiful? So I love that. And a couple of more things I want to share real quick. Oh, I picked up, this is another Hobby Lobby find. I picked these, they're like velvet pumpkins and pine cones. I have a really large tray, and those items will go in there. But really quick, look at this cutie patootie. This is from Bath and Body Works, and you guys know I love plaid, and the buffalo plaid especially. And I have a golden retriever, and even though this looks like a Labrador retriever, which they are different dogs, but they both are retrievers, I knew my husband would love this. Now, he loves our dog Haley, but his favorite dog is a Labrador retriever. So I got him this plug-in. I think that'll be super cute. And then I received this free pumpkin plug-in. Look at that glitter. Wow, baby, that makes me happy. And they sent me a free cinnamon pumpkin spice plug-in to go in this wallflower. Well, I guess this is the plug-in, and they gave me the cinnamon spice. It broke. I order online, and so it broke. and they're sending me a new one and a new one of these, even though I told them this wasn't ruined.